I have some bad news for y'all.
What?
I ate all your candy last night. So y'all don't have...
Daddy, we told you not to eat our candy. Why'd you do that?
I was hungry.
Why couldn't you eat our candy? We told you not to eat it last night.
Why couldn't you just eat
Daddy,
my
candy.
Daddy, you can have some of my candy.
I can have some of your candy, Micah?
Yeah.
Thank you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to. I just got carried away.
You should have let one of us stay up early to remind you.
Well, I'm sorry. Can you forgive me?
I forgive you, though.
You forgive me? What'd you say, Micah?
Can you forgive Daddy? But at least we still have those airheads and these 3 lollipops.
Daddy, guess
Oh,
what?
you do have 3 lollipops.
I think I know why
I
you
want a
ate all that
pig.
candy. Because you said I was going to eat one of my Skittles like Avery and Micah did last night, but I didn't. Those two did the wrong thing. I didn't do anything to my candy.
You didn't even have to yell. Oh my God.
It's okay, isn't it? Thank you all for sharing your candy with me.
Okay. You're welcome. That can